This is the new grandma rug collection of, I smell like mothballs.
Damn.
Where are we right now?
You're at Animal Kingdom. There's 3 different shirts that Discovery Island wears now.
We have the orange one.
And it has the elephants, rhinos, cotton-top tamarins, tigers, and gorillas on them.
Diego, let's see what you're wearing.
Those are the cranes and butterflies on them. And then the third one that has the sharks, sea turtles, and coral. So, coral reef, one thing that's damaging them is sunscreen. There's coral reef certified safe sunscreen.
Okay, why are you hugging onto these arrows?
Because
Hashtag Imagineer Rachel.
I drilled them onto this wall.
That's all you did?
Yeah, it's my first thing I touched though. I was the first one to touch these. Unapproved facts.
If you ever come to Satu'li Canteen, remember, these arrows were touched by the great Rachel.
Yeah, you ready? I'm sorry. Welcome to Satu'li Canteen. Okay, I'm not cute. I look like garbage today. This is fine. Okay. Hi. Welcome to Satu'li Canteen.
Alright, so we got the rice, we got the grilled chicken, we got the beef. It is so good.
About like one of the nights.
Wait, what is this sauce called?
Creamy herb dressing.
You got it on the side?
Creamy herb, yes.
Slice it.
Oh. How is your blueberry cheesecake?
Good as always.
Now again, Satu'li Canteen is my favorite quick service in all of Disney World. You never feel gross after you eat it.
I have a question for you.
You do.
This cart, why are there animals being pulled by other animals?
Because they're tired. You know, one animal's like, you know what, I see that you're tired, so I'm gonna just give you a little bit of a pull to help you get through the rest of your day, because it is hot here in the Animal Kingdom.
If I asked Joe Rohde, is that what the answer would be?
I'm sure that's what the answer would be.
Guys, now we're gonna ride the Pandora Small World. Oh, wait, I mean the Na'vi River Journey.
I want to have a catchy Na'vi language tune that I can sing all day long.
There's the Shamanator.
It's a Na'vi journey. After all, it's a
small Pandora.
There she is, there's Bay. Get it, girl.
Maring tinglar tokarina ang walem lerem sam maewa maewa maewa.
Okay.
I don't know if that went well.
I went to do it again.
Let me just show. This is f***ing pants. It's a little show.
What do you want from me? Alright, on that note, John invited me over to have one of his favorite desserts. What are you wearing?
This is my adventuring gear. If I'm going out into the jungle, you know, it was a tornado warning today. I need to be prepared. I need my hat. I need my hook. Hey, do you happen to know what Santa's favorite nut is?
What is Santa's favorite nut?
Pistachio ho-ho-hos.
I'm a big fan of ho-ho-hos too.
John told me, yeah, I got some macaroons we could eat. No, he's in a suit. He's gonna serve us
Hi.
with wine. Okay.
Yes, we're gonna pair a nice 2013 vintage from the Santa Maria Valley.
I'm a little underdressed for this, so I guess I gotta kind of dress up. Okay, there's that. Does that look good? All right, let's macaron it. Okay, so all together, John, how much did this cost you?
After the exchange rate and all that stuff, we had to go from the euro, about $150.
$150
for those. Oh my god.
John just spent $150 on pretty patties from SpongeBob.
Do we eat them with our fingers or like?
Yeah, I'm arranging them nice and fancy on the plate because we're not gonna eat them out of the packaging. That's just weird.
What flavor we're gonna start out with first?
I figured we'd start with the coconut macaron.
He spent $150 on these. Okay.
Admire the nice crisp, light flakiness of the macaron, and then the fresh flavor of the cream in the middle.
Mmm. Well, I'm not a fan of coconut. Orange ones now, and these are
Apricot.
apricot. Mmm, yeah, savor.
You have that nice, crunch and the light fluffiness in the shell. And you have the intense fruit flavor in that cream. Those floral notes in the end right there.
I don't know what a floral note is, but it tastes good.
Final countdown.
All right, so what, raspberry?
Fig.
Okay, John, if this tastes like a fig Newton, you need to demand a refund.
What's the most expensive wine you've ever drinking?
You care to hear about what's in my wine cellar?
You got a wine cellar?
Of course, I collect. Probably a 1995 Moët Chandon Imperial Rosé.
How much is that?
Probably by the time I was consuming it, $200 to $300. They actually declared that a classic year, so 20, 25 years from now, I'll decant that. That'll be a great drink.
Let me know if you know anything that he just said. It's like another language that you're speaking.
Are you ready? The final two little bitties. Okay, the final ones, they are lemon, and I'm most excited about these.
Oh, the lemon just like oozes out. I just want to be like in Charlie and Chocolate Factory where he like nibbles on this for like the next year.
I'd like to thank you
Thank you, my good sir.
for everything you've done for churro kind of changing my taste.
Oh, hold on. I'm gonna have to call up the company and get a churro flavored macaron now, it seems.
Okay, we're gonna share with Patrick. There's a little left of the pistachio. That's probably like $10 right there.
That looks like a booger wiped on.
Do we know what $10 tastes like? Just lick the plate.
No.
Oh, everything. How's it feel to be rich now?
Tastes weird.
Shaman Chris, you wouldn't believe what I just ate. What?
I'm indecent.
What do you mean you're indecent?
I'm not Shaman Chris yet.
How do you turn into Shaman Chris?
I have to put on all the clothes.
He's like a little, like ring girl or something. You don't want to be seen. Were you smiling? Were you dreaming about little $150 macaroons? He is out cold. And now that's how we're gonna end the video.
Kevin, look what I just got from Target. So good.
You're supposed to act excited.
Jimmy goes to